Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shnong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Listen, you are talking as if you do not know. I have already given a circular that if you have to, any people coming from outside should inform me. Why have you not informed me? There's no excuse for you. You could have easily informed me that you are bringing these things. And so if you had informed me, then we would have told you the procedure. I would have informed the district authorities, the health authorities, and then we would have made arrangements how to go about noting this stuff.
Oh.
Madam, you cannot say that you don't know. We have already informed every resident.
Announcement. Today, daytime, we have made the announcement. You didn't hear the announcement day before
I've
yesterday?
given you on WhatsApp also. Okay? So please don't say that you don't know, because on WhatsApp also we've given to you. Announcements or through PA systems also has been done.
You just can't roam around like this.
Hagakhat lai trik unai tung arajar arpho. Ki nongkit kam juga Dorbar Shnong Lachaumiere Shillong. Hakapor nyau steng ejan miet kira yok bat yakwe Trok kabadani number UP80DT 6182. Kabawan kit Tiar yang juga beri ki pasa ha apa Lachaumiere kabawan nadu Gurgaon kabadan hajala Haryana. Habe kran chairman jong ka COVID-19 Management Committee jong ka Shnong Lachaumiere uba Victor Kongman play thu ba ha ka jing toket nau nongnya jong ni Trok bat ya unong buat lalap bakim dan setia wat ya ka medical certificate kaba ai da ka COVID-19 checkpoint kabadan ha bernihat kaba jitok kit iki beri ki panabar ki buan rung sepo ka jala mekhlia uba Victor play thu ru ba ka Dorbar Shnong kala rai ban mudoi da ka ejahar persya ya kinu ki papin khen ya ki kendan an bat kham tam e iki try jong kini ki Tiar
One kani ka Trok goods carrier kabawan apa Gurgaon Haryana. Te nata kadau kawanra kini ki household goods jong kini ki tenants basa chongwai yang jongu nu nong Shnong jongi. Dangalai I bakadan kani ka Trok tanang sawan verify. Balai kawan kani ka Trok abang ngilabo ya ka jing maham ya ki nong Shnong makinum dei benwanra kali for the next 7 days. Kanang benumwan ki kali benabar ki driver benabar mat kinong trikam Shnong ru apa nabar kanang ba hakini kisngi bengin yo pendap ki contact tracing bat ki belajar kini case basusi tanda ngala cross check bat kini ki driver bagi handyman kajingma kalong ba ki wan lemba ka ni ka bernihat handre kimdon ka health certificate that is kata de ke basusi kumno ke cross ka bernihat check gate kumno ki cross ka umyam viewpoint check gate klam yo ka medical certificate bobyang te kumolong menta kini gilapan hab e kamar le penrung kamar sepo compound gi breu te ngamtip pare kidi badan kidi kilong carrier e symptomatic ngimtip e kata te menta kalaban jadi ke basusi te kalaban long ba kini ki laban pas ye ni knyang jingpang seki weru te kini breu ladap quarantine ki kila follow protocols ki procedure andre kadi perbawanra ne ka Trok pada kelam pentip sa Shnong tena takadaw ngilama hamjur mentan ngiyong bali kelam pentip sa Shnong lemba habari kwa nonra gi kila menlek yang mana hampir hamtip te menle na Shnong pada ngin sem ka action kumengela penbena bangin file ke FIR kinu ba break protocol te halor kata ngin file bet ke FIR halor gani tena taraw kini pulir ki dan ni ban ni ngila inform ki magistrate jongka district group begin sem ka action ke badai katkum ke jing suthu jungi ke bernihat ke check gate ke berningkong banyada ya kani ri jungi kami ka jelam me kala jungi na ban separate ni ko jingpang ta halor kani haba kinu ki break ba wan nagaliang ke border dan tamut na po asam de ki wan sane tamut berningkong kolong ba ke di ban le testing ta nan la de le testing can have I ka report hantu ke health certificate by kini ki video la de testing iki and they found to be negative or positive whatever it is andre kumolong menta ye kini klamdon kum kata ge ki layo ka road transport te ngamtip pade kumnu ki yo wan hanne te taraw gadang pha kli lemba ke transport pulit ke inquiry gadang ya sakman ri nong songwai betre ba ka state bank te kitang siwan sen hi te menta kitang wan ka Tiar kitar jongki na stay na Gurgaon ke jing kali jongki yo tu driver bo wan ra te ka Trok te ki thu ba ki pen up ye ki lai ka ta ha po bernihat sakit banang tak sapala je ki iya kini kinong songwai yeng kini mo phawan ra ni ki Tiar bagi lai don contact bat kini ki driver bad handyman te kini ngin pha quarantine ni ki tat hadu kan dale ke badai ka health department